What's up, guys? It's your boy Jarrell, and I'm coming at you with a video about my dashing, gorgeous teeth. So, I was working out the other day, and some girl came up to me and said, well, actually, before that, I was getting some compliments about my teeth and how white they are. And, you know, we were just talking about teeth and just asking me what I do. I told them that I actually have Invisalign, but I don't think that that really affects how white they are. But I do take pretty good care of my teeth, at least I try to. I used to brush my teeth for at least 20 minutes a day. You know, just twice a day, like 10 minutes each time. But I don't do that anymore just because I got Invisalign. It's a lot more that goes into caring for these that takes up that time, so I decreased the amount of time that I brush my teeth with. And then after that, some girl came up to me and asked me the same day, was my teeth so the same day some girl came up to me and asked me, was my teeth real? And I just thought that was kind of funny. Maybe she was just joking, but she said they look really good and that I'm blessed with great teeth, something like that. But anyway, so because I've been getting a lot of comments and compliments about my teeth, I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I use and kind of what I do with my teeth. I do try to whiten them. So I do use Crest Whitestrips. These are a different kind than I first started out using. I can't really use these as much as I want to now because I have attachments on my teeth. And I'm kind of scared that the rest of my teeth will get white, but the teeth underneath my attachments still stay the same. So I use Crest white strips, pretty much all Crest stuff. These Crest 3D white strips, you can get, this is the Glamorous white one. I use the professional grade. They're Crest 3D white's professional grade prior to this. And I thought I seen results. I thought after using all of it, my teeth was actually a few shades whiter as a train out there. But yeah, so I use the white strips, and I think they say just twice a day or once a day for 30 minutes. And yeah, so that works for that. And then also I just bought this toothpaste, but I've been using Crest 3D white toothpaste for a while now. But this is their most advanced kind, and it says it can remove up to 100% of surface stains in 5 days. So I just started using this. And hopefully I see results, but I feel like Crest 3D white toothpaste for me just kind of maintains the whiteness, in my opinion. So that's one thing you can use if you're trying to get your teeth whiter. Pair this 3D white strip with this toothpaste. And also I used to use this mouthwash, Crest ProHealth Advanced Extra Whitening Mouthwash. I used to use this for whitening, but it really messed up my mouth. I couldn't eat for 12 hours, at least 6 hours with this stuff. And this is alcohol free. I don't know. I can't really use this for a mouthwash like I used to, but I feel like it does whiten. I just didn't use it long enough to tell. But now I use this to clean my aligners. So I just pour a little bit of this and then just kind of brush it. And I think this works really well for cleaning your aligners. So if you do have Invisalign or Direct Smile Club or Candid, any clear invisible liner, I recommend using this for cleaning your aligners because to me this does a great job, and the other stuff can get kind of expensive. And also my toothbrush is a Philips Sonicare toothbrush. My dentist was recommending that I get this toothbrush for a long time. I kind of didn't really want to. I used to use just kind of cheap $5, $6, $10 electric toothbrushes. But ever since I made the switch, when I first made the switch, I started seeing some plaque buildup in some areas of my teeth. And I think the main reason was because I didn't know how to use it properly. I didn't know the angles, because it was a significantly smaller brush than my other toothbrushes had been. So I didn't really know how to use it. But once I figured out how to use it, I wouldn't go back. This toothbrush is it gets in hard to reach spots. It really thoroughly cleans your teeth if you know where to, put your teeth and use the angles. I just think it's a great toothbrush, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like what it sounds like. But yeah, brushing my teeth with this has been a big help of just maintaining the cleanliness of my teeth, and it removes plaque very well. And so I definitely recommend this one. And this one also, this particular version has 3 different settings. It has a clean, white, and gum care settings. I only use the clean because I just think it works the best for me. But anyway, yeah, so those are the 3 products that I use: the whitening, the toothpaste, and this mouthwash. And actually sometimes I'll pour a little bit in before I put my liners in and just stick it in there and just spit the rest of it out. So I'm kind of still getting that whitening effect because I'm just letting it sit, like soak on my teeth. But I'm not like rinsing my mouth out with it because, like I said, it's too strong for me. My wife actually likes it, so some people can actually tolerate the effect that it has on your mouth, but I can't tolerate it. And when I eat, I don't like to have a minty taste when I eat. So this was just like bad to use for me at any time, really, because like I would need at least about 6 to 8 hours before I could eat after doing that, and I would do that first thing in the morning. So it's kind of hard to use that with my schedule. But like I said, for liners, it's great. If you want to use it for whitening your teeth, I think this is a good one to use. So yeah, I recommend those. I think those would be a big help. That's all I've done. I've never done anything professional as far as my teeth whitening. So if you guys just use these and give it at least a month, I really think that your teeth are going to be a lot whiter. You're going to be a lot more confident in your smile. Like that. But yeah, so if you're looking to whiten your teeth, these 3 products will be in a link in the description. You can get these off Amazon. And even if you're looking for this toothbrush, a toothbrush like this, I highly recommend using this. After I actually converted over to a Sonicare toothbrush, I wouldn't go back. But yeah, it's up to you. Whatever you guys think would be the best for your teeth. But these are things that I've noticed that does work for my teeth, and I believe it'll work for your teeth as well. Also, another thing that I do is I mainly only drink water for the most part. I drink like protein shakes and stuff like that, but one thing I do when I drink protein shakes, I usually only use a straw. And this is not a paper or a plastic straw. This is a metal straw with a rubber tip. And that's very important if you want extremely light teeth like me. It has to be a rubber tip or else your teeth are going to be yellow for life. Just kidding. But I do like to do the straws just so it's not direct contact on my teeth. But yeah, for the most part, I just drink water. That's a personal preference. That's what I like to drink. And it does give me confidence knowing that it's not going to mess up my teeth or stain my teeth. That's another thing you can do to help your teeth go to even the next level of whiteness is just to try your best to eliminate any colored drinks that you can and just stick to water. Try to give up coffee if you can. I personally don't drink coffee because I personally just try to utilize my natural energy and try to stay energized naturally as much as possible. But water does the trick. The best beverage you can have. So many health benefits, but it's also good for your teeth. That's another thing that you could do to keep your teeth looking dashing. Oh, and I want to say I really sincerely apologize for everyone waiting for the Industry Baby Remix full version audio. I'm so sorry. So I ended up getting another opportunity that took priority over that, and I apologize for putting the priority over that. But it was a music opportunity, and I wanted to kind of jump on that first. But now it's coming soon, so please don't be mad at me. I'm so sorry for not getting it out there. But it's coming soon, and I'm going to get you guys that remix, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be awesome. I think it's going to be awesome, because I'm coming with the heat, so y'all already know that it's going to be legit, you know what I'm saying? So, but thank you guys so much for being patient, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace! It's time to rise up. It's time to rise up. So let you rise up. Let you rise up. We multiply love.